They say which we are given the numbers, we are given the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there's no 2, there's no 1, and there's no what? There's no 0. Everyone is happy then. And then they say which we should calculate how many 5 unique codes. We're creating a code again. How many 5 unique codes can be formed using digits above? Ne? If the digits may be repeated, let's count the number of things that we have that we can choose from. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ne? But we're creating a 4-digit code or 5-digit code. Ne? If we're creating a 5-digit code, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetition is allowed. We're going to say we have 7. Multiply by 7. Multiply by
7.
Multiply by
7.
Multiply by
7.
What is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7?
16,807.
16,000?
807.
807. Okay. The digits may not be repeated.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We say we put 7 here.
Yes.
And then we cancel anyone.
Yes.
Let's cancel 1. Let's cancel anyone. Let's cancel 9. Seated alone. Let's cancel 9. If we take out 9, how many are still remaining?
6.
We have multiplied by 6. No? 5. No? Multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 3. What do we get?
2,520.
2,520. Sharp. No?
Yes.
There was no condition whatsoever. No?
Yes.
Now, exam, then they start to give us the condition now. They say, how many unique codes, how many unique 3-digit codes can be formed using the above digits, which is the one that we still have then.
Yes.
And then they say the digits may be repeated, so allowed to repeat. That's number 1. Number 2, the code should be greater than 400, but it should be less than 600. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It should be greater than 400, but it should be less than 600.
Yes.
The code should be divisible by 5. Now, let's check how best can we do this thing then. Here's what we're going to tell them. We're going to tell them which we are creating a 3-digit code. Repetition is allowed.
Yes.
Repetition is what is allowed. So let's start with the divisible by 5. Divisible by 5, it means the number should end with 5.
Yes.
Or 0 if there's a 0. There's no 0.
It's 5.
If we had 0, then we're going to include it. Remember, what are the numbers that we're choosing from? We're choosing from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the only number that will make sure which we have something which is divisible by 5, it's 1. Who's that person? It's 5. So we come and put 5 here. Yes, 1, 5. You want me to repeat this? Yeah, the condition says what is divisible by 5. For something to be divisible by 5, it should end with something which is divisible by 5. The last number, and the last number should be 0 and 5. But in this case, because we don't have 0, so we're not talking about that. So we're saying how many values here are going to be divisible by 5. We need to put those ones. So when we check here, we realize to say which we have 5, which is the only person who's divisible by 5. So we're going to put that one at the end. How many 5s do you have? You only have 1, so you come and put 1 here.
Yes.
Yes, Chairman. Yeah, we're going to put 2. We're going to say it's 0 and 1 and 5. Next, they say what the code should be greater than 4,000. It should be greater than 400, but it should be less than what? 600. Meaning which the values that I can choose for number 1 are these 3.
Yes.
Oh, it's 2. We can't use 6, no? We can't use 6. So the only 2 people that can occupy that space are number 1, it's 4 and 1 and 5. So we are going to put 2 here. Why we don't put 600, Mash? I can see the confusion. The reason why we don't put 600 is because if we put 600 there, it's going to say 6. We can have 6 3 something, which is no longer less than 600. That one. We can have 6 7 something. That one. Remember, we can have a code that says 633. We can have a code that says 644. Yes, Ramana. The what? Yeah. No, we don't include the 600. We are just going to say plus 1 at the end, including the 600 that they are talking about. Yeah, because we don't have 0 in this case. For the fact that we don't have 0 in this case, it made the life to be a little bit simple. Because we can never have 600. Because we can't have a code that says 600. So it doesn't exist, but we can have 633. Which now it's no longer greater than 600, but it's no longer less than 600, but it's greater than 600. We're still fine, Anish. Why did we use 2? We're going to use 4 and what then? And 5. Now, let's check here in the middle here. How many numbers can we choose from? Since repetition is allowed, it means I can choose from all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put what here? 7. Then it says it's going to be 2 multiplied by 7, which is going to be 14 in Afrikaans. Yes.